Namaste everyone. I welcome you all in the practical session of relaxation, understanding the relaxation asanas and meditative asanas, which you can easily do and practice at your home to attain more relaxation and de-stress yourself. That is the most important thing. So before starting a practical session or before understanding how to do and what are their benefits and understanding these things, let's start with the prayer. First of all, whenever I start with the prayer, I try that you all give that positive energy to understand that whatever kriya you are doing it, give the surrenderance to the God. That is the most important thing. That now, as everyone is a yoga sadhak here, I am also a yoga sadhak here. So that's most important thing is when the yoga sadhak practices something or learns something and do something, the surrenderance is very important. And to whom you have to surrender? Your God. Whatever belief you are in, if you believe in some deity, if you believe in some power, if you believe in some swarupa, it totally depends on you. It's totally your faith, and how to inculcate that faith is more important. If you don't believe in, some people are atheists, they don't believe in God, but they believe in some power. That is the power which has been taking care of this universe. Just remember that. That's the most important thing. So before starting all these things, let's do a little chant, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. That means we are just doing that shloka, my Guru, or your Sarupa is the Supreme. I give Naman and Dhanyavad or thank you to my teachers, my parents, that supreme power, the Lord Almighty. Remembering that, we'll start it with 3 Om Ucharana and a Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. You can sing, we can chant with me as I'll do it. First of all, why? When we start this, our awareness is very important. Okay, so important is to have a good awareness. Awareness where? Awareness on your breath. That's the most important thing in yoga asanas or yoga kriya. Your awareness is on your body. So with all the awareness, with all the relaxation, with beautiful breath, inhalation and exhalation. When you inhale, observe that your chest and abdomen is moving out, and when you exhale, it's moving in like a balloon. This is some yogic breathing, but actual yogic breathing contains of 3 things: the clavicular breathing, thoracic breathing and abdominal breathing. But today we can only observe the breath. That's not important to the yogic breathing right now, but in the relaxation, yogic breathing helps. So understanding your breath, how it is moving in and how it is moving out. So this is a good step or a basic step of relaxation. Whenever you are stressed up, you just relax yourself. Start observing your breath. You can close your eyes and start with me. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Start 3 Om Ucharana. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahm, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands. When it becomes little warmer, put it on your eyes and little bit tapping, and open your eyes in between the fingers so that the light doesn't go straightway into your eyes. A little light go, because when you close your eyes, 80% of distraction goes away. That's why we learn to do relaxation. Just close your eyes and sit down. The basic thing. When you close your eyes, the 80% of the distraction which is around you will go away. So when we open our eyes, a little distraction goes in, and then we'll come back with the awareness. Okay, first of all, what's important is to understand about the yoga asanas. There are different ways of doing it. Many asanas are beginners asanas, intermediate level, advanced level, dynamic level, static level. But today, majorly focusing on the techniques as well as the effects and benefits of relaxation and meditative asanas. So first, relaxation asana, which we talk and which is the commonest, is the Savasana. Whenever you get stressed up, if you are in a job, if you are in a workplace, if you are tired of doing some physical activity, or in between the practices of yoga asanas, you can do Savasana. First, I'll tell you what are the benefits and how to do the Savasana. After that, I'll tell you, and by demonstrating also with you. So you can join with me in doing that. Shavasana. Shav means corpus or a dead body pose. Why it is called Shavasana? Because we lie down on a floor, on a mat, on a dari, on which is lying on a floor. Why we lie on a floor? First of all, yoga will tell you to have a gratitude and surrenderance. So leave yourself on the floor. Your ego will go. Your I-ness will go. Let's be surrendered to the Almighty. This rooted, gets that rooted. Important to learn in yoga is you need to be rooted, you need to be grounded, you need to be have a softness in your body, softness in your mind, softness in your thoughts. So let's be grounded. Let's understand that you need to be rooted. Your roots should be very strong. So lie down on a Shavasana, and when you lie down, your awareness has to be on Agya Chakra, here. This is the Agya Chakra. Your awareness has to be here. And second most important awareness in your breath. How you inhale. I told you, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation. Okay, Krishnacharya says, when you inhale, God is with you. God is approaching you. When you hold, you are with the God. And when you exhale, you are reaching towards the God. And after the exhalation, when you hold, you give the surrenderance to the God. So this is the beauty of inhalation and exhalation. We even don't know how to do the breath reading. In COVID timings, see how important our breath is. People are actually faced the real problem of how we breathe. We don't know actually really how we breathe. So breathing is a very good technique. Breathing rightly is very good. And while doing the Shavasana, your focus in Agya Chakra as well as your breath. You can do reverse counting breath also. And if you don't want to do that also, that is all okay. You can just focus on breath by inhalation, how you inhaling and how you exhaling. And reverse counting has been added for the mental health perspective, and especially in the therapy when the people having a sleep disorders like insomnia, we generally as a physician prescribe them do the reverse counting and sleep, and reverse counting while sleeping, like you have to count 50 to 1, 30 to 1, like inhalation, exhalation 50, inhalation, exhalation 49. When you do it with the consciousness, you will sleep in between. So this is the tip for insomnia patient. As a physician, I want to give, do the reverse counting breathing, reverse counting in a Shavasana, or when you are lying down in a bed at the time you are not able to sleep, you do it. So this is the practice of Shavasana which I am going to show you. Okay, you have to sit like this. Now you have to lie on your back. Okay, you understand that you have to give your weight wholly towards the floor, like a shove, like a dead body. you will not stiff yourself. Your muscles will be totally relaxed. How you'll do it? You lie down on a back like this. Okay, and now whole body is lying down. Okay, and I am giving all my weight this floor, the mat, and I'm not taking any weight on my body. I'm just relaxing. Now hands has to be near about 15 centimeter apart from the body, not that much apart, not that much close, very close, not far. It has to be comfortably near about 15 centimeter, and there is a gap. You don't need to put like this or a big gap. A comfortable gap according to your shoulder level distance, and your feet has to be fall side, not forward, not back, no stiffness. Just relax and leave the body like a shove on the floor, and your shoulders, like I am right now, I'm trying to tighten up my shoulder. Just relax it down, and your hips, your lower back, your thighs, your knee, your hands, everything. And you can see my hand, it's a little bit, finger is folding up. So just like, don't open like this or don't open like, close like this, just relax. Now close your eyes. Shavasana, first important relaxation pose. It's a beauty of this asana that you get relaxed, your breath become normal. Start have a awareness on your breath. When you inhale, your abdomen and chest will move up. When you exhale, it will move down. The basic thing. Inhalation like a balloon. You inhale, you are expanding your lungs and increasing the stamina, and more oxygen is there. Oxygen consumption will be there when you have a good awareness on your breath. And the major awareness is on a Agya chakra, where the females put a bindi. It's a place in between the eyebrow center. The Agya chakra. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Observe. This is a Shavasana. What are the physical benefit of Savasana? Your body get relaxed. Your body, which is toned, which has been excessively exhausted with the physical or emotional or any kind of a work, it will be relaxed. You feel more calm, composed, and the prana energy flows will be equalized in the whole the body. Your parasympathetic, on the medical terminology, the parasympathetic system, the parasympathetic nervous system will be more stimulated in Shavasana. There are so many research papers are there when we talk about the Shavasana is very helpful in the mental health, giving the relaxation to the anxiety patients, giving the calmness and composed and balanced state. You can lie down any time. When you feel exhausted, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending upon your time. If the time is more, if you think you can extend more, you can give more time, that will be more beneficial. Total relaxation. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. And the awareness on Agya chakra, and on the spiritual level, you can have a focused thoughts. When you start having an awareness about the body, focusing on Agya chakra, you start practicing on the focused thoughts. Why we want to focus thoughts? Because for the meditation perspective, this is just a beginners, this is just a practice. When we come about the meditation asanas, this is just how you have an awareness, how you calm down your mind, body and relax. This is the first technique of Shavasana. Now you can turn to your left side. Whenever you get up, turn to your left side. Make a hand of your left hand like a pillow. Relax here. Relax for a few seconds, and then you can get up. Whenever one kriya is done, you do it like this, and then you rub your hands, or you can do a little bit of chanting in this, and then come out. This is the first technique. One technique is about the Shavasana. I'll talk about the next asana is about the Makarasana. Makarasana has a very good benefits, amazing asanas, Shavasana, similar benefits like Shavasana, but those who can't lie on a back, sometimes you have some issues or um, not able to lie on a back, then you can lie on a abdomen. And what is the benefit of Makarasana? Makar means crocodile pose. Okay, in this, like some people having a sciatica or some people having some kind of a lumbar issues, the doctor said don't bend forward, but you want to do yoga, so your yoga therapist or a yoga teacher will ask you to do the backward bending, not the forward bending. Whenever you do the backward bending and when you are not allowed to do the forward bending, then how will you do the counter pose? How will you do the relaxation pose so that your back will get normalized? Because in yoga, when one asanas are done, you have to do the counter pose to relax that, because it avoids injuries, it increases the mobilization and flexibility. So very important, whenever you do one asana, you have to do the counter pose of the other asanas. So counter pose, if you are doing a backward bending and you are not allowed to do Paschimottanasana or Padhastasana or any kind of a forward bending pose, then you can lie down on a Makarasana on the mat and the floor. The benefit will be the same. There is no injury and you will feel better. Okay, for this I need to lie on my abdomen region. Okay, my back will be up and I will lie on the abdomen region, on the chest region. So how the crocodile lies, that is a Makarasana. There are two techniques of doing Makarasana. Some people, I'll show that techniques. What is the awareness of the technique? Whenever you're doing Makarasana, your whole awareness is on the spine. Okay, and you have to relax. Your whole awareness is on the spine so that you can stimulate your Sushumna Nadi in Makarasana. And secondly, it will give you again a relaxation, calm and composed state. Your muscles, the stretching, the tension and stiffness in the muscles will go down, and your breath rate will be normalized. If you have done a very a high your basic metabolic rate has increased and you are doing a like of kriyas which is very much dynamic in action, you want a relaxation, or you're mentally agitated or frustrated and you are in a not in a peace state, you can lie down, give a 5 minutes to yourself, do the awareness and see the magic. This is the next asana is about the Makarasana, a crocodile pose. Awareness is on the spine and it has a very great helpful in the spirituality, in higher consciousness, improving your higher consciousness, as well as the physical benefit of relaxation and the mental benefit of calmness. Let's do it. Okay, now you have to lie down like this and then turn on your abdomen. Okay, and in this your feet has to be outside, not inside. It's like this, your feet facing outside, and you have to relax here. Again, you have to give all the weight on the floor. That's the most important thing. No tension in your joint, no muscle stiffness, no muscle toning. Just relax. First technique, some people do like this, like folding your hands and putting your forehead on this, and you have to relax your chest, your shoulders, everything is relaxed. This is the one technique, and some people do like this also, but I always try to suggest you can do Makarasana, it is more relaxing. You can do with me, hands here and putting one hand on another, like if right hand on the floor, left hand on the above, and then the chin, the forehead is placed here. Now do the normal breathing. Breathing is like the inhalation and exhalation. Take it a minute and relax down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Normal breath. Focus the awareness on your spine region. All weight is being transferred to the floor. Don't take any stress. Leave the stress to the floor. This is the beauty of our universe. Let the things get out. Let the thing get out from your body which is hurting you. Detox yourself. Take the negativity outside, take the positivity inside. The whole awareness is this. This is Makarasana. Feet is it's outward, not the inward. Now, the whole awareness in the spine, and it is very helpful in giving the relaxation, calmness in the body, tranquilizing your mind. And this is a good benefit. Those who can't do the forward bending, they can easily do this kriya whenever they are tired and want to give relaxation to their spine on the physiological benefit. Now again you have to turn on the left side to come out and little bit relax here. Why I'm talking about the left side? Because in generally we uh, prefer as a physician that you have to lie on a left side, as the heart position is more towards the left. It isn't actually in the mediastinum, but it is more towards the left, and it was balances and it will give relaxation to the heart also. Now again stand up beautifully, calm, build the whole body as to be relaxed. Then again rub your hands beautifully and then put it here and come out. Nice. Now the third relaxation kriya, it's a Matsikri Rasana. Matsikri Rasana, what's it's that? Matsya, like a flapping fish pose. Matsya is a fish, flapping fish pose. It is a beautiful asana for the pregnant ladies and females. It is amazing asana when, especially in the last trimester, when your abdominal weight is increasing, your baby is growing beautifully inside your womb, your back is hurting. So when your back is hurting, you need to give a rest. This is the magic of the Matsukri Rasana, that whole weight of the back and your abdomen will transfer to the floor and your back get relaxed. Let's learn it. It's beautiful, like practice Matsya Krida Asana, and not only the pregnant ladies, anybody can do it, especially in sciatica. When talk about the other benefit, it's in the sciatica and the lower back pain. Those having a pain in sciatica, it can be right or left. You can easily fold that leg and you can relax around. The pain get relief and you will be more benefited. This is the physical benefit. And on the we talk about the spiritual benefit, the awareness is on the Manipura chakra, and you're stimulating your Manipura chakra here. The gastric fire, the digestive fire, the Jataragni is being stimulated. Why we are stimulating different chakras? Because the chakras, when the chakras get stimulated, then they will open up so that the Kundalini can travel up and to reach through here. Your spine has to be straight whenever you are doing the yogasanas. Let's understand about the Matsikri Rasana. In this, we have to lie down like this and then take it on a side like left we are doing. Clench your hands like this, okay? And now you have to fold the right leg. You can do it with right or left. It is absolutely your call, on a left side or a right side. Generally in a female, we generally say that you lie on a left side, it is good for you, give you relaxation. And generally in a pregnant ladies, we always say lie on a left side or always sleep on a side, not like not on back, not on your abdomen, because it is not good for you as well as the growth of the baby, and you are going to hurt your back. Now you have to fold your knee as much as close towards your chest region. Now you have to clench and put the hand here. Your elbow and knee, you can close the space and you will lie down this. See the beauty of this asana, Matsikri Rasana. And you can write your knee, your left leg is absolutely resting, your right is folded and you're relaxed. And then this, you can see that if a pregnant lady is there, the whole weight of that abdomen will be on here. Rest, your weight will go back. The weight which is coming on the lower back will be vanished. Okay, now you have to rest like this and rest in this and rest. How it is helpful in the sciatica? Because see my pause, I am relaxing the lower back and I'm giving rest to my leg. So in sciatica and the lumbar region pain, people can practice this. It will be very beneficial, and the whole awareness is on the Manipura chakra, and you will relax the abdominal region. Here you can do the chanting, you can do the normal breathing, inverse counting breathing, and you can enjoy. You can do both sided, right or left. It's absolutely your call. Left is beneficial for the female, but no problem. You can do it, and if the sciatica is on the right or left, it's absolutely your call. Always do in both sides, so it will be helpful for mobilizing the both. Okay. Now coming back, leg straight, coming up. You have to stand again. This is the Matsukri Rasana technique. Now rub it. You can lie for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then come out. 3 meditative asanas we have done. After that, relaxation asanas. 3 relaxation asanas we have done. Now we will move towards the meditative asanas and how to do the meditation and why to do the meditative asanas.